So I had some questions come into our inbox, and a lot of people ask, well, Tanya Flipper, how do you know what price to buy the house at? So I'm going to explain the 70-30 rule that I use.
All right, guys. So this is the way that I use the 70-30 rule when sourcing property and getting it at the right price. Some people use it different. I'm gonna just tell you the way I use it. All right. So hopefully you guys can see this lovely chart here. I have my son make it. So we got finding your purchase price with the 70-30. All right. We're gonna take the average return value, which is the value of the property once it's been completed, what you believe it's gonna be worth that you can sell it at. All right. And then the BRBB is the before rehab budget. Okay, that's your rehab budget. So basically what you are going to do is you are going to take your average return value of the property and you're gonna times it by 70%. With that number, you're going to minus your before rehab budget. So you're gonna minus your rehab budget after you times this number here. So what happens is in this 30% that you take off of the ARV, okay, in the initial, it's already gonna have your overhead and profit built into it, pretty much 9 times out of 10.